Hi guys and welcome back. So I do have this hat on because I have really dirty hair and I kind of think it looks really cute, even though I don't think I would wear it outside, but for videos, why not, to hide everything underneath. But today I do have this tutorial for you, and I kind of use my favorite eyeliner technique, which you're probably familiar with already. So this half eyeliner and then the line above the crease. I love this. Kind of brings something to the makeup look. I always feel like I used, surprise, the E.l.f. Retro Paradise. I heard this will not be available for much longer, so if you wanted to buy it, just go ahead and buy it right now because it's a fabulous palette. I also use the Charlotte Tilbury mascara, which I'm such a big fan of this right now. At the moment, this and also the Guerlain Matte Eyes are my favorite mascaras. It's just, again, the formula is super black, super nice, but it has this brush. It kind of like, it's flat on one side and then on the other side it kind of has these all like silicone bristles that give you definition. So with the flat side you apply the product, and with the tiny bristles you brush everything and it gives you lots of definition. So I love this combination and it's a really nice formula. I also used this, the Fenty Beauty Balm. This is like a tinted balm. It's so nice, and I have a couple of shades, but so far I think this is my favorite product from Fenty Beauty. It gives you like a tint of something, but it's super moisturizing, kind of like a lip balm, and you don't feel it on the lips. And yeah, I'm loving this, especially for the everyday kind of use. One of my favorite highlighters at the moment, the Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight. I also used the Tantour in Fair from Huda Beauty. I am obsessed with this. The formula, it's so beautiful, glides on beautifully. Not my favorite color though, but I think it works because it kind of warms up the complexion. And I'm really loving this kind of look at the moment. But I really like the formula. I wish maybe in the future they will have some more shades, maybe more of an ashy kind of contoury one. But it's really good, really good. I also, a side note, really love my nails with these hearts and stuff. I think they're just so cute, but at the same time quite simple. So yeah, that was it for the intro. Enjoy the tutorial. Let me know if you tried any of the products. Let me know if you have the E.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, and if you tried any of the looks that I created already with it, because yeah, more are coming. It's my favorite palette. Love it.